say. Well, I'll give you the opportunity for both aircraft to get airborne, so you can sort out amongst yourselves if you will place. Braking right now, and what a great sound and sight that fly past was.
Imagine this aircraft is a biplane, it's not too dissimilar to the Hawker Hart, is it?
Indeed.
It's a Cindy-Cam's design.
But that design was created as certification. And the first prototype, of course, you must remember, flew in November 1935.
So it's amazing just to see how just one November 1935, and the Spitfire was 4 months later. Yes,
the Spitfire, of course, ultimately was developed, in its basic fighter form with a much larger and more powerful Rolls-Royce Griffin in line. And that was about good 1,700 in the 1800s as well.
Rock steady, it didn't move, and it needed to make a turn. There was absolutely no rudder input. However, the feel of the aeroplane was totally different. The B-17 was in some ways sort of... Here it is, listen to that sound, ladies and gentlemen, as it rolls. 4 Wright Cyclone radial engines, each producing 1,200 horsepower. A magnificent sight. And the reason it was called the flying quarters, of course, the thing is absolutely, you can still see that today, bristling with guns, no less than, I think, 13 machine gun mans that were designed to cover every possible angle of attack. And I guess when you sat there at heat, I simply, whatever else, I could never have been a bomber.
Now, in reality, they do a lot higher than this, and the ACAC would be exploding all around the aircraft. Enemy fighters, of course, have left the aircraft to the anti-aircraft artillery. So now, bomb doors are open, the bomb aimer's lined up, he presses, the bomb's gone, there we are. And we
wow, look at those
great
go.
hits on the dispersal area there.
Outstanding, ladies and gentlemen, outstanding. And all done with chalk and fertilizer.
So, there we are. Enjoy that formation, fly past as much as run over the airfield. So, of course, after the fighters had escorted the bombers to and from their target, perhaps if they were separated during a dogfight, they'd operate on a target of opportunity basis. So imagine this P-51 is perhaps separated from its escorting bombers. There we are, the strafing run as it's come across an airfield on the way. Look how low and how fast he's going.
Yes, and look at those pyros go. Excellent. Well, ladies and gentlemen, may I remind you that extraordinary act is a quintessential nugget hewn from the rocket aviation experience.
It is indeed, yes. But if you think that if you're continually turning your head to right and left, it would... Surprisingly quiet. Did you see the air brake?